Hi, and welcome to How to Install the NetCloud Exchange Client, also known as the NCX Secure Connect client. This training has been updated for overlay IP addresses and site groups as used by Cavotec engineers to access remote equipment in the field. Ericsson-Cradlepoint's NCX Secure Connect is a next-generation cybersecurity system. It replaces static VPN connections. Based on zero trust policies and independent identity verification, NCX allows our systems in the field to be fully connected and very secure. Rather than granting access to the entire network subnet, zero trust connects users and devices with specific IT resources on an individual basis. The NetCloud Exchange client enables secure connectivity between Cavotec's engineers and our remote systems. It runs automatically at Windows startup, and it shows its status via the tray icon. It can easily be connected or disconnected with a right mouse click, but as we'll mention later, this is not recommended or necessary. Before installation, you really should have credentials, both a username and password, for NetCloud Manager and the Okta Identity Server. The username for both of these accounts is your Cavotec email address. For NetCloud Manager or Okta credential issues, contact the Rotterdam Innovation Center. For problems loading software on your Cavotec computer, contact the Cavotec IT Help Desk. Also, before you begin, if there's a chance of an old NetCloud perimeter client on the device, it must be removed. In Windows, this is a two-step process, beginning with the uninstallation of the client and then moving on to removing files left in subdirectories such as Pertino, Cradlepoint, or NetCloud. The good news is this only applies to NetCloud Manager users who've been working prior to 2023. Most of our legacy users have already done this cleanup. So installation really begins with the downloading of the software. For that, please visit cradlepoint.com/support/downloads. The NetCloud Exchange client is available in Windows, Mac OS, iOS, and Linux formats. Once downloaded, install the file. For Windows, it's as simple as clicking the .msi. Once it's installed, the client will run automatically. It will ask you for your Zero Trust Network Identifier. Our ZTNI is Cavotec. Then it will prompt you to log in with your email and Okta password. And it's ready. You are now connected to every single device that's connected through NCX. Devices are reached by a unique overlay IP address. Each of our NCX connected devices is assigned an overlay IP, currently in the range of 100.127.x.y. These overlay IP addresses can be found in NetCloud Manager. In NetCloud Manager, begin with the Networks menu, then select the Cavotec Hub AWS, and then on the Cavotec Hub AWS page, select the Site Groups. You will see that each router is part of a site group, where the site group is named for the product type. The Configuration tab of each site group gives the unique overlay addresses of the nodes behind each router. Connected devices, such as an IPC, a PLC, a router, or the access point, can respond to their overlay IP addresses as though they were local to you. A few tips. You will be asked to log in with each restart of your laptop or tablet. Check Keep Me Signed In, and the client will stay logged in and connected until the next shutdown or restart. It is recommended to keep the client connected. There is no need to connect and disconnect with use. This is a split tunnel VPN configuration. It will not slow down your internet connection nor interact with other VPNs. Users can be connected via multiple devices at the same time. Simply log in on the second device with your Okta credentials. The overlay IP addresses can change, but this is rare. Record the address for devices you will be working with regularly. For example, when using an overlay IP address via a browser, simply bookmark the page. This makes it simple to return to a device's web GUI. When using an overlay IP address via remote desktop, there is a save option to make it easy to return to an IPC or tablet. For our advanced users, instructions for adding routers to NCX and how to configure resources within a site group can be found in the EPDM vaults. These are under the Standards folder. I refer you to document FMON 19978, 4G router setup in NCX Connect. This has been how to install the NetCloud Exchange client, updated for overlay IP addresses and site groups as used by Cavotec engineers to support products in the field. Thank you for listening.